5,000 yuan buying a used car and felt like I'd hit the jackpot. But after getting it home, I realized there's something odd about this car. If someone else pushed it, they wouldn't need me anymore. Then a fan reached out in a private message, hoping I could bring some tools to help fix the issue. Here's how it goes. Watch as I step on the brake, then ignite it. See, it didn't start. Let's try this again. Look, it started this time. You tell me, isn't this problem strange? Let's go up front to check it out. This car had a gasoline pump replaced, costing 380 yuan over 3 days. Oils and sprays were changed along with V-belt replacements. And look, even the transmission oil was replaced. However, the problem is still unsolved. After reporting it for 3 days, it got recharged 3 times. This car's facing a mysterious problem. We need to tow it over for a detailed check. A fan sent me a private message asking if this kind of issue could be fixed. I told him if I can't fix it, I won't charge you. Honestly, with issues like these, it's just a matter of getting the thinking sorted clearly. Solving it becomes relatively simple. If a car doesn't start, there are typically 3 main causes. If it's the oil, replace a component. If it's electric, replace a fuse. If it's air, replace a sensor. But one part wasn't checked because it's very cheap. Look, it's called the wheel axle position sensor. Let's disassemble it and check. It's pretty easy to disassemble. Just pull out this plug first. Then use a tool to remove this screw. Tools like these are available everywhere. Nowadays, you can get them for just a few yuan. Okay, you can take this screw apart. Once you pull out the bolts, you can remove it. All right, we found the reason for the problem too. Come over here and look. Wow, the top of this sensor is covered with iron shavings and oil mudds. If there's too much, it will definitely affect the sensor's accuracy. This iron shaving probably came from previous bad engine maintenance, getting sucked up by the organic sensor. We'll deal with its starting difficulty first. The engine can wait. In this situation, don't rush to replace it. Let's clean it up first and see if the problem can be solved. Get some paper towels, lay them down, then take a bottle of cleaner to clean the oil mud off the sensor head. Oh! See, before you know it, the cleaner should take this off, no problem. Oh! But if the iron line on the head doesn't clean off easily, we'll just use paper to wipe it.
Wow, did you see that?
It's all cleaned
Alright,
up.
does it look brand new? Now this charger is clean. Next, we will reinstall it in the car. It's really easy to do, just the reverse of how we took it apart.
Press down hard on this switch.
Okay, then tighten the screw. This sensor is a long-time acquaintance. During the rotation, it sends signals to the circuit board for decision-making on injection and ignition. So this much wire might affect its accuracy. Sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't. Alright, finally plug it back in. The front is all set. Now let me start the car to see if it runs. Hey guys, if it's solved soon, remember to give me a like. Next, we're witnessing a miraculous moment. Get ready to brake. Let's try it again, shall we? You found us again to take a look. If you work on it, won't it be solved? Isn't it surprisingly simple? Don't worry. Support daily car selection.